Nice shop cleanup right after doing a project. Nice toolbox. What do you think? Could I lose a little something extra? Come on, think about it. A little bit extra. There you go. You got an idea. Clean all that stuff off. Go take some measurements. Use some walnut wedges. Quick little layout. Got yourself a melamine board. Alright. Making your marks. Use a square, throw a level, then use the level. Alright, making things square, okay. I can dig it. Oh, make sure the final one's the square too. Throw that thing. Ooh, measure yet again. Oh, pocket squares. Using your little pocket jig? Yeah. You got some sheathing tape you're putting on there on the boards. Ooh. What kind of you bring that back here? Dolphin. Okay. All right. Yeah. Rest of the board. I like using this because you can actually see through the tape, so you can actually see where you're putting your mold. All right. Screw those things in. Okay. Screw in more. Okay. Oh, nice toe palm power. Okay, yeah. Knock that thing in there, boy. Oh, what you getting? Oh, geez, he's got a hammer. Top. Knock it square. Screw it in. Alright. Screw in the sides. Okay. Ooh. Going sideways. It's a little high there, huh? Quack. Screw those in. Screw in the sides. Okay. Ooh. Get a little exposed wood. Put more sheathing tape on there. Oh, silicone. Nice. Make it watertight so it doesn't leak all over the place. What happened? Alright, you got your setup. You could use a little bit more. So we're going to got a little bit more walnut there, yeah. Let's quarter that. Make sure all the things. Yep. Make sure the mold is level. Nice. Even diagonal. Look at that. So you got hot water. Oh, and you put it in there for about 10 minutes. Oh. Matching the volume with part B. Then we mix. You got the oinks black there. You put some of that in there. Mix some of that. Pour a little bit there because you want the rest to be translucent. That's what the silicone dam is around there for. And we're going to use the rest. Fill in the rest of the base. Pop some bubbles. Oh. Warm up A and B to mix those together. More powder. More black. Fill in some more. Okay. Pop some more bubbles. Oh, mixture of red. And some copper. And go fast forward some of this. Experimentation. I decided just to abandon the red and just use the copper later on when I filled in the rest. But this gave me a little fill there. I'm testing a little tackiness. And I got this metal sand dollar. Yeah. Skew it a little bit and pop. And so this is the finish. I go the rest away. See that mostly copper. Played around with a little toothpick. Now I'm going to fill in the middle with some more clear resin. Pop the bubbles. Fill. Pop some bubbles. Fill it more. Pop some bubbles. Mix it a little bit. Pop. Fill it. Pop. Mix. Pop some bubbles. And rinse and repeat till you're satisfied. Now we're gonna knock some of the sides off. Destroy the mold. I'm gonna leave it attached to the melamine board. Use a router jig that I just made that same day. Going down in small little increments between each one. We'll vacuum it out. Going side to side like I know what I'm doing. I'm going to show you all the little step downs. More or less every pass that you see, I've done 3 more passes. Sanding with 40 grit sandpaper, I think. Then after that, 60, 80, 120, 220, 320. I couldn't get the haze out of this one so much, so I used this old polish to polish it clear after going up to 1,000. And here I am releasing it from the melamine board, and pop, there it goes. I did too much with the bottom. Sand it a little bit, probably good. Now I went always go over, so you can always trim it down. Always measure twice. And I use the circular saw pressed against the straight edge. Give me a straight edge. Now I'm going to fit it and make sure that it fits into place. And it do. So now I'm going to do a 1/8 quarter round. Now I'm testing the depth to make sure I like it. And I'm going to go all the way around just the top, bottomly. And this is some old antique finish that I have. I'm just going to give that a good little once over. Let it rest. Wipe off the excess. And then I'm done. Overall, I'm happy with the project. Make something a little bit of mine with something I use pretty much on a daily basis. And look at that self-star. Alright. And ta-da!